People be crazy out there. And this is probably one opinion that we can all agree on because there's not much agreement going on. When I look at what's happening as far as people on social media, I see a lot of disagreements. I see a lot of people making a stand for, I'm right. This is the right way to do this. This is the right way to treat this pandemic. And the reality is that none of us have all of the information. So there's no way for any of us to possibly be 100% right. And there's no way for us to be 100% wrong. But if we want to actually, get out of the fear loop, get out of that whole spin of, the crazy and the crisis and the panic that's going on in the world, one of the things I'd invite you to do is to stop, take a deep breath, and check in and say, can I make space for somebody else to have a different opinion? Can I make space for somebody else to stand in their opinion, even if it's completely contradictory to mine? To make space and to step into this bigger perspective that what if I'm not right and what if I'm not wrong? And what if they're not right and they're not wrong? And I know this is kind of a bigger picture thing to think about, but if you take a moment and you breathe, and you let go of needing to be right, and you let go of needing to make them wrong, you might find that you're going to have a lot more ease moving through this crisis that's going on right now, which is going to lead you to be able to come up with creative solutions for moving your business forward. So if you're feeling stuck for getting out of all of the wrongness of the world, give me a call. I'd love to help you.